If you're an employer, you're likely familiar with what happens when a former employee files a claim for unemployment benefits. You may not be as familiar with what to do when someone files a fraudulent claim, and unfortunately, fraudulent claims have been on the rise. They typically occur when a third party is able to acquire the personal information of a current or former employee, and then that individual submits a claim to the Texas Workforce Commission, or TWC, impersonating that employee. First, let's define what a fraudulent claim is. It's a claim that was likely submitted to the TWC using the information of an employee that either still works for you or a former employee that you believe never submitted the claim. In contrast, if it's a claim that you believe was submitted by a former employee, but you simply disagree with the merits of the claim, that's different from a fraudulent claim. Next, why do you want to be aware of fraudulent claims? You want to be on guard for these types of claims because you want to avoid a chargeback on your employer account that you don't or shouldn't owe. This is because your general tax rate can be negatively impacted by benefits that are paid out to former employees. Here's what to do if you receive a claim that's fraudulent. If you have what you believe to be a fraudulent claim, you should do the following. First, verify with the employee or former employee that he or she did not file the claim. Second, don't ignore the notice. You should respond to the notice either in paper copy or online and state that you believe that the claim is fraudulent. Explain the circumstances. For instance, explain that you spoke with the employee who is a current employee and that you verified that he or she did not submit the claim. The TWC also provides a way to report this type of fraud on its website. See the link on the screen below. The TWC states that while it prefers that the impersonated employee make the report of fraud, employers may make a report as well. So to summarize, if you receive what you believe to be a fraudulent claim, first verify that the claim is actually fraudulent, and then respond to the notice explaining the circumstances. Then either you or the person whose identity is being used should report the issue to the TWC.